Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Good evening. Welcome to the Blue Garden. How many are in your party?
We're two, please.
Right this way. Here is your table. Would you like to have the menus now?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Wow, this menu looks interesting. There are so many choices. Ben, do you see anything you like?
I'm not sure yet. I see that they have a variety of dishes. Some Italian, some American, and even some Asian dishes. I think I want to try something new tonight. What about you?
I'm leaning towards the grilled salmon. It says here, it is served with a lemon butter sauce and a side of vegetables. It sounds delicious.
That does sound good. I'm also thinking about trying the pasta. They have a spaghetti with tomato basil sauce, which seems simple but tasty. And maybe I'll add some meatballs if I can.
Great choice, Ben. I love pasta too. I'm also looking at the appetizers. They have a mixed green salad and a tomato soup. Maybe I'll order a salad to start with.
That's a good idea. I think I'll have the soup. It says it is a fresh tomato soup, and I love tomatoes. It will be a light start before the main course.
Excuse me. Would you like any drinks to begin with?
Yes, please. I would like a glass of white wine. What do you recommend?
Our house white wine is very popular, and it goes well with fish and salads. It's $8 per glass.
That sounds perfect. I'll have one glass of the house white wine.
And I'll have a glass of red wine, please. I prefer red with pasta sometimes.
Certainly. 1 glass of house white wine and 1 glass of house red wine. I will bring them shortly.
I really like that they have a mix of cuisines here. It gives us a lot of options. I was thinking, maybe we should order something for both of us to share as well.
That's a good idea. Look at the side dishes. They have garlic bread, mashed potatoes, and steamed vegetables. I think sharing a basket of garlic bread would be nice.
Yes, garlic bread always tastes great. It's perfect for dipping in sauces too. I'll add that to our order.
Also, I wonder if they have any desserts. I might want to try something sweet after the main course. What about you?
I do have a sweet tooth. I see they have chocolate cake and a fruit tart on the dessert menu. I think I would choose the chocolate cake because I love rich chocolate.
That sounds delicious. I might choose the fruit tart because I like something light and fresh after a heavy meal. We can always share a dessert if we want.
Here are your drinks. 1 glass of house white wine and 1 glass of house red wine. Have you decided what you would like to order?
Yes, I'd like to order the grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce and a side of mixed vegetables, please.
Certainly. And for you, sir?
I will have the spaghetti with tomato basil sauce and meatballs. Could I have a side of garlic bread as well?
Absolutely. Would you like the garlic bread? To be served with extra butter or plain?
Extra butter, please. I really enjoy the buttery taste.
Very good. And for you, Anna, would you like any appetizers to start?
Yes, I'd like to order the mixed green salad to share with Ben, if that's possible.
Certainly. I will bring one mixed green salad for you both.
Thank you. And what about drinks for the table? Do you need any water or soda as well?
Yes, could we also have a bottle of sparkling water for the table? It would be nice to have that with our meal.
Of course, I will bring a bottle of sparkling water for you. Anything else I can get for you at the moment?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Great. I'll put your order in right away. Your food should be ready in about 15 minutes.
I'm really looking forward to the salmon. I haven't had fish in a while, and this recipe sounds amazing.
And I'm excited about the spaghetti. I always love a good Italian dish, especially with meatballs. It reminds me of the time we went to that Italian restaurant last summer.
Yes, that was a fun night. We laughed and shared stories for hours. I hope tonight will be just as enjoyable.
I'm sure it will. It's always nice to catch up over a meal. How has your week been so far?
It's been busy with work, but tonight, I just want to relax and enjoy the food. I have a few meetings coming up later this week, so I'm trying to take it easy this evening.
I understand. I had a lot of assignments at university, so I'm looking forward to a quiet dinner without any worries. Sometimes a good meal is all you need to recharge.
Absolutely. And the atmosphere here at the Blue Garden is so cozy. I love the soft lighting and the gentle music playing in the background.
Yes, the decor is very nice. It makes me feel comfortable and relaxed. I'm glad we chose this place for dinner.
Here is your mixed green salad and your bottle of sparkling water. Your main courses will be ready soon. Enjoy your drinks.
Thank you, Mark. This looks delicious.
Yes, it does. I'm really looking forward to the pasta and meatballs.
Ben, do you remember when we used to have dinner at that small diner near campus? Things were so simple back then.
I do remember, Anna. We used to share a slice of pizza and talk about our classes. It's funny how things change as we grow up.
Yes, now we have more choices and experiences. I think it is nice to see how our tastes evolve over time.
True. I've noticed that I now prefer a more relaxed dining atmosphere. I like places where you can enjoy good food and conversation without too much rush.
Me too. That's why I like this restaurant. It feels calm and inviting, even though it's busy sometimes.
I wonder if we can try some dessert later. I'm really looking forward to a piece of chocolate cake after dinner.
I might have the fruit tart, as I mentioned earlier. Perhaps we could share our desserts so we can try both?
That sounds like a fantastic idea, Anna. Sharing desserts is always fun.
Here are your orders. 1 grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce and mixed vegetables for you. And 1 plate of spaghetti with tomato basil sauce, meatballs, and extra buttered garlic bread for you, sir.
Thank you, Mark. The presentation looks wonderful.
Yes, thank you very much. This smells great.
The salmon is very tasty. The lemon butter sauce adds a nice, fresh flavor to the fish. What do you think of your pasta, Ben?
The spaghetti is excellent. The tomato basil sauce is very rich, and the meatballs are perfectly seasoned. And the garlic bread with extra butter is delicious. I think this is one of the best Italian dishes I've had in a long time.
I agree. I like that the portions are just right. Not too heavy, but very satisfying. The mixed green salad is also very fresh and light.
Yes, the salad adds a nice balance to the meal. It's good to have something crunchy and fresh, along with the warm pasta and fish.
Mark, could you please bring some more water? We are running low.
Certainly. I'll bring a fresh bottle of sparkling water for you both.
Thank you, Mark. I really appreciate your friendly service.
Me too, Mark. You make our dining experience very pleasant.
Thank you. I'm glad you're enjoying your meal. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Will do. Ben, after we finish, do you want to order dessert? I think I would like to try the fruit tart we talked about.
Yes, I'm excited to have a little sweet treat after dinner. I want to order a slice of chocolate cake too, and we can share them.
That sounds perfect. I love sharing dessert. It makes the meal even more enjoyable.
I'm glad we could have such a lovely dinner together, Anna. It's nice to catch up and enjoy good food in a comfortable place.
Absolutely, Ben. I always enjoy our conversations and the way we can share our opinions about food and life. It makes dinner more than just a meal.
Indeed. I think tonight has been a wonderful break from our busy schedules. I feel relaxed and happy.
Me too, Ben. I'm glad we chose this restaurant. The service is friendly, the food is delicious, and the atmosphere is perfect for a relaxed evening.
I agree. Let's plan to come here again sometime soon. It is a great place to unwind and enjoy a nice dinner.
That's a great idea, Ben. I'll look forward to our next dinner out. Maybe next time we can try a different dish or even invite some more friends.
Sure, that would be fun. I'm always excited to try new things and share good experiences with friends.
Thank you again, Mark, for all your help tonight. We really enjoyed our meal.
You're very welcome, Anna and Ben. I'm happy to see you both enjoying your dinner. Have a great evening, and I hope to see you again soon.
Thank you, Mark. Have a great night.
Yes, thank you, Mark. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.